It's Nompumelelo Makhanya. I studied at University of Johannesburg doing the MTech in Operations Management. Guys, I will be presenting on my paper, of which the topic is improving the system failure of learner management information system, the case of services SETA. The paper ID number is 659. I'm going to go to the next slide where I'm going to talk about the abstract. The abstract talks about services data where we identify the time frames of the accreditation, why is it taking long, and why services data is not fulfilling their mandate in order so that the training providers can be able to get their accreditation on time in order to be able to apply for discretional grants, tenders, and also be able to certificate the learners, of which the main objectives of this is to look at the LMIS, the services SETA, the process of accreditation, and stakeholders. I'm gonna go to my slide, which is introduction of the system and why accreditation might not be granted on time. And I also compared with one of the authors that is around the world to check if they have the similar software that we have at Services SETA, and what can we do as Services SETA to integrate the system so that it can meet the mandate of the company and also meet the satisfaction of the clients. I'm going to go to the next slide, which is methodology of the study and data analysis, problems identified with the new system. So according to the linear correlation, identify the straight line relationship between training challenges. We did a scatter plot where it shows that is it increasing or is it decreasing, and what can we observe as the value of the system, and where we can be able to find the solution to improve the system. As you can see, that is the graph that I was talking about, where we observed all the challenges of the training. And then the other slide, it's conclusion and recommendations. It's where we find to say how can we improve the system and what can be motivated the system so that we can become effective and efficient of the learner management information system, and also to see how is it demanding to meet the customers' services and also their requirements so that they can be able to apply for accreditation and get it on time. We also look at the challenges that were drawn in the conclusion and recommendation, especially for the international. Most service providers are driven by advanced information systems, which services SETA can be able to tap into that so that we can integrate the system, so that we can be able to take what the model of a system that they use in USA, what did they put, what did they program in that system, and what did they do as business analysis to come with a good system. And then in Africa countries, still we're facing a major challenge to have a good system, because our programming system, our software that we have, they are not advanced. But if we can check the models that they're using in the international countries, as I mentioned, the USA, and then we can be able to tap to the good system that we can have. The last slide, it's about recommendation. It is recommended that improved learning management system be introduced. It is a software-based application that is used to manage, control, and manipulate data processes, procedured in a way that deliver greater cost. Some participant intimate knowledge of the factors can improve the failure of management system, of which the study was just concluded in Gauteng only. It did not went to other provinces to get more information about how it can be improved. And I believe that if we can do the whole country, we can be able to get a clear view of what management system is about, and also get more solutions on how to